Hindi raw po aalis ang PNP dahil may nadidetect silang heartbeat. Sa mga miyembro ng QJC, huwag po tayong mawala ng pag-asa. Manalig pa rin po tayo na ang mga alagad ng batas ay ipapatupad ng maayos ang batas. Patunay po rito ang naging temporary protection order na inilabas ng Regional Trial Court Branch 15 ng Davao City na nagpapapatigil sa PNP sa kanilang mga ginagawang paglabag sa inyong religious at academic rights. Here is my appeal to the President Bongbong Marcos, Mr. President. Mr. President, it is my fervent hope that my remarks in this August chamber will reach President Bongbong Marcos. To President Bongbong Marcos, I am reaching out to you in all humility. I do so not only as a concerned citizen and a resident of Davao City. I speak also as someone who deeply believes in your commitment to this nation. Marami na po tayong narinig sa balita. Hindi raw po aalis ang PNP dahil may nadidetect silang heartbeat. To that, we raise no objection. We are in opposition to question these technological advancements. And yet, while your PNP is focused on the underground heartbeat, which they suspect belongs to the heart of Pastor Kibuloy, I urge you, dear President of this nation, to listen also to a different sort of heartbeat, the heartbeat of thousands of Filipinos in the midst of this cacophony of sounds. It is our hope that the voices and hearts of these Filipinos will not be drowned out. Among them are the members of the KOJC, deprived of their religious freedoms. Their right to practice their faith is being challenged, and their pleas for support are echoing through our land. Excuse me. Let us also listen to the hearts of thousands of students from Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated and Lyceum of the Philippines in Davao City, as well as their parents, who are grappling with the disruption of their education. I feel that it is not suitable, it's not justifiable, that in the attempt to serve a warrant of arrest, we also end up arresting our young people's dreams. This is highly unwarranted, Mr. President. Their aspirations hang in the balance as ongoing siege affect their learning environment and their future prospects. Additionally, the closure of Carlos P. Garcia Highway near the airport has caused immense hardship for many Davaoenos. Their daily lives are disrupted and their convenience and well-being are at stake. Pagod na rin ang mga tao. More precisely, pagod na rin ang mga puso ng mga tao. Their weary hearts have resorted to seemingly marching to a different beat, regretting their choice of leadership, losing their hope. Yet, I stand here with unwavering faith in you as the father of our nation. I, for one, still believe in your capacity to care for every Filipino. After all, regardless of where we find ourselves politically, socially, religiously, or even physically, we all share the same heart and spirit. Mr. President, President Bongbong Marcos, continue to listen to the heartbeat of the people. Hindi lamang sa sports, kundi sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay Pilipino. Puso, Mr. President, puso. Maraming salamat po.